Take a seat, let's speak of chains we can defeat. The streets, they lure with a siren song, but lead you where you don't belong. They whisper wealth, they promise pride, but leave you cold and dead inside. A cruel facade, a devil's trick. The streets, my friends, are cruel and slick. At first they shine like heaven's gate, but quickly teach the cost of faith. They take your time, your peace, your soul, and leave you empty, far from whole. The nights grow darker, the pain takes root. The streets just strip you of your youth. They scar your heart, they steal your dreams, and drown your joy in endless screams. You trust the streets, they sell you lies, a bed of thorns where freedom dies. They feed your hunger, fuel your hate, then leave you broken at the gate. Unforgivable memories burn inside, the things you've done, the times you cried. The streets don't care for how you bleed, they only harvest pain and grief. But here we stand in this safe space, ready to rebuild and heal the faith. The streets can boom, but we're still here, a circle strong, no need for fear. It starts with steps, one day, 1 hour, a simple act reclaiming power. Today we breathe, we sit, we stay. We find the strength to face the day. One day at a time, that's how we heal. Brick by brick, we rebuild what's real. No mountain climbed in a single stride. Inch by inch, we'll turn the tide. Forgive yourself for what is past. The hurt, the choices, leave them last. Each sunrise gives a chance to try to chase the dreams we once let die. Start small, a prayer, a breath, a smile. Each moment lived makes life worthwhile. Lean on this circle, share the weight. Together we'll rewrite our fate. The streets may call, but they're not our guide. We choose the path with hope inside. Step by step, let's rise as one. The fight for peace has just begun. One day at a time, we'll find our way and turn our nights into brighter days. The scars remain, but they don't define the love and strength that still can shine. So take my hand, let's leave the chains and walk together through the pain. Today we live, today we try, and keep our dreams alive, not dry. The streets won't win, they lose today.